Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about a tool that can make your work easier, faster, and smarter. Chat. If you're a beginner and want to learn how to use chat to save time and boost productivity, this video is for you. What is chat? Chat is an AI-powered chatbot developed by OpenAI. It understands human language and responds in a natural and helpful way. You can ask it questions, request content, or even get ideas, and it replies instantly. For example, if you say, "Write a professional email," chat will generate it for you in seconds. How to use chat. Step 1. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Step 2. Sign up for a free account using your email and password. Step 3. Once logged in, you'll see a chat box. Simply type your question or request there. Examples: give me a sample resume. Summarize World War II in 5 points. Suggest a YouTube video idea for a tech channel. Type it, and chat will respond immediately. What can chat do for you? Chat can help with writing assignments and essays, drafting emails, and resumes, generating business ideas, and plans, assisting with coding and programming, preparing for job interviews, creating content, blog posts, scripts, captions, translating languages. Basically, it's your all-in-one digital assistant. Pro tips for using chat effectively: clear and specific. For example, write a 200-word article on climate change in simple English. Ask follow-up questions. If the answer isn't right, you can say, "Can you explain it more simply?" Use English for best results. While chat understands many languages, English works best. Never share personal or sensitive information. It's safe, but it's always better to be cautious online. Free versus paid version. Chat has a free version that offers great features and capabilities. But if you want access to advanced tools, faster responses, image input, and more powerful models, you can upgrade to Chat Plus, the paid version. Closing. So that's a beginner-friendly guide to using chat to make AI work for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. Have any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And let's explore the world of AI together. See you in the next video. Take care.